There you go. After workout, we go fetch water. Jack and Jill went to the hill to fetch a pail of water. Pechay? F-E-T-C-H. Close enough. Sounds like. Fetch sounds like backpack. A fetcher. Ready, gone.
Yun yung ginawa yung anong ni Christian.
Later. Hapon para hindi mainit. Fetch. Oh, yes. Why did... Oh, yes. Let's go. There you have to wipe it. I told you not to have sex there. Lagyan mo sa likod to. You have to bring it. Lagyan mo sa likod. Make it wet, Meg. There. Yung the wet one. Yung nasa the donut.
Yung kay Daniel nakapon na isang araw na yung ano niya.
Natapon. His drink.
This should be armor there.
Yeah, we're gonna buy the armor all. Kasi ano yan eh. That's lagyan mo sa likod. Lagyan mo sa likod dyan. Ginagamit ko yan eh sa trabaho. Okay. We go IP first. Then on the way back tayo bumalik na. So we're gonna hold our we're gonna go vlogging.
Vlogging.
Say what you want, Meg. Say you, say me.
Say you, say me.
Para kayong Beavis and Butthead, ha?
Hello guys. This is a vlog 55 of 56.
The Sane, the Saxon, and Dane vlog.
the Saxon and the Dane.
Saxon and the Dane.
He didn't expect it, but Alfred died
I know.
yesterday. I was like, I couldn't tell you.
I couldn't believe Meg lied to me.
Guys, how could I do that to him?
I know. It's Alfred, Meg.
It's Alfred. He was already looking sickly. He's like, oh, is he gonna die? I said no. But I knew he was gonna die.
He lived through season 3. Almost.
Season 3, man.
It's not like us. It's like our car. Sipag itong tao na to. Ito, it's the only one I always see working. What are we gonna eat today, Meg? So your ate gonna cook, she's gonna cook, what do you call that? Pinakbet.
Wow, pinakbet.
A little shrimp and a little baboy.
No, I don't put shrimp, I got baboy.
Oh, so if ate got more baboy, that's why. Just to finish it. Then tilapia or pampano? Tilapia? We go to tilapia. Cut it in half. Tilapia ayaw mo? Para sa pinapit?
Galunggong na lang.
Galunggong? What's galunggong mean? Scad? Round scad?
Round scad.
Round scad.
The baby. Yung pampangka din, ganyan lang yung galunggong mo. Ang sarap. I gotta try that one day.
Oh, you're gonna try Rosa Balanes galunggong, man.
Galanggings.
Even the tinapa, oh my god.
What is tinapa again, guys?
Smoked fish.
They have smoked galunggong, smoked milkfish.
I'm telling you, when the first time we went there, the vendor, I packed out the whole bilao. I bought it all. She she came back the next day and like she's trying to sell it again. Like, what do you still have it?
It's like, girl, that's only once in a lifetime. Maybe he came from a foreign country. He's, from Norway.
The buying it. Walang iya ka, Romel. This was what you're buying everything. Now they come back. Pag wala ka na, what if you're gone and they come back?
He's gone to America.
Who's gonna pay for it? You got this one now. You got this.
Pautang mo na. Tinapa. Isn't tinapa taste good if you put it in like something that's smoked?
Yeah, well, it's good in breakfast also. It's yung sinangag.
Oh, that's the one goes in fried rice.
Mm-hmm.
Sinangag.
Sinangag and inapa. With kamatis and sili.
Chamats.
Yeah, we're out of chili also.
Sale.
Nilagay ba yung chili flakes kagabi? On the beef?
Sikat naman. Kukuha ka ng video, yung pit ko lang nakaganyan.
Yes, that's good. It's sexy. Right, Meg? Tumataas pa yung puwet niya, Meg. She's doing,
What?
she's doing Superman. She's doing it. The panty is showing already.
shit.
That's nice. You're gonna be so sexy on the video, right, Meg? Oh,
wait,
yeah.
what?
Pamela Anderson.
Pamela Anderson.
Si Pamela Anderson milk, si Megan Pamela Anderson chocolate milk. Kasi I don't drink chocolate milk. Megan drink, ano yun? What is it called? Kasi, hindi siya yung,
Which one, Meg?
hindi siya milk,
Lactose free.
lactose free siya. So you do chocolate milk.
I'm lactose free.
Chocolate only.
Chocolate.
Pamela chocolate. Kasi Pamela milk.
Megalodon lactose free.
Chocolate has milk.
We can make it
Ano,
lactose.
chocolate pala, Coco.
Coco.
Coco, no milk. Choco.
Choco. Choco's milk. It's, what is that, July 27th? Monday.
Monday, Meg.
Monday,
Monday
guys.
up day. So much
This
cheaper
is
than
Island Pacific parking lot. Look at that.
Ano sabi ni Kelsey? Graveyard, sino graveyard? Makausap ko si Kelsey sa doon. Ay, si Kelsey mo, si Flo.
She don't know who she talking to.
Let's go. Let's get that camera, Meg. Go IP.
IP. Here we go.
See Megster. Woohoo! Yes, Megster there. Let's go. Ace Hardware. Yan na ba? May meds pa na dito. We're going back to Island Pacific. Yan kung anong mabili natin dito. Let's go get pang pinakbet. Tingnan natin yung mga naka-sale. Mango bags. IPC. Yung mga naka-sale. Pwede na yan, oh. Shrimp, o tilapia, $3.99 lang, eh. Pampanutan, naka-sale din, eh. Madaming sale. Cebu de lechon. Yeah. Look at this one. Patrick! Kamusta na, brother? Kamusta? Yan. Mas maganda yan.
Seafood section, more variety of fresh fish and avid seafood items to choose from. We also offer full service, free fish cleaning and
Doon yung ano,
you can also choose your
kuha ka ng pang
for your fried fish, whether it's sold,
longganisa, meg is on sale, chorizo. Yan, oh.
Cajun or spicy, with free dipping sauce. Full service in our seafood section.
Nakbit.
Fish, frying and cleaning. Only here at Island Pacific. Thank you.
Hindi mo na kukulit yung ano na? Naka-cut na? Up to you. It's already been cut. May babang ka pa? Okay. Pampano gusto mo? Prito?
Wala akong kalabasa.
Kalabasa stay. Chicken wings. Lah, $2.99 lang ang chicken feet. Australian pork butt, $2.99. Very good. Oh, 9 shop right here.